Welcome to this new video about iris2. As you remember in the previous video, we created this structure iris2model, which is the output that you get from iris2 inversion procedure. As you know, this structure has different level of information that are given by this variable. In this case, we have the highest level of information, number 2. Now we are going to see how to visualize and analyze this data. As you will see, this is quite simple. We will use a visualization code that we have developed to this goal. And it is called show iris2model. And the input is the iris2model structure. As you will see, the first thing that it shows here in the IDL session is the information help. The control of this function is given to the keyboard, so you can make some task using these keys. The second thing that you can see is that two windows has opened. This window is called iris2 3D model inspector, and as you can see, it displays an image and a color bar with a variable of the model atmosphere, in this case the temperature. As you can see, when I move the mouse out of the image, nothing is happening. But when the mouse is on the image, it will show the 4 variables we have in the model atmosphere. The other window is called iris2 model atmosphere, and it's showing 4 plots: temperature, line of sight velocity, microturbulence, and electron density in logarithm scale. You can see that it's showing the values and the uncertainty as error bars, and it's giving you information about the position in the image, the position in the optical depth, and the value of the variable that is displayed in the image. In the following video, you will see how change the behavior of this application with different keystrokes. See you then.